All right, Joel, it's your first day, so this is not biased at all. What can you tell me about this ridge vent that we pulled off this house? What can you see on a first impression?
The vents look kind of smushed together, not allowing proper airflow.
Yeah. What is this stuff? Like a mesh that's blocking the holes?
Yeah.
It's pretty small overall. Put your hand on that. How wide is that, do you think? Yeah, just about a hand's width. Okay. So here's the ridge vent we're about to install today. What do you think the main differences are?
Well, it's way bigger.
Yeah.
Vents are nice, clean, open. The mesh is nice, clean, tacked.
Look at all that airflow that can go through there.
Yeah, huge gap in between.
Yep. So we find a lot of houses, especially of this age, those early 2000 homes, and even still today, use a product called CoreVent, which does not let air out. We've done the tests with a smoke machine in our shop. CoreVent plugs the roof vents and does not allow out. Air that doesn't get out of your attic sits there, builds moisture, builds heat, and it's no good. So we want to get that air out of your attic, which means we got to use a bigger ridge vent, a more efficient ridge vent, and a ridge vent that'll actually allow the air to flow through. And that's why we use the Owens Corning VentSure vent.